Ladies.
Yes.
Okay, let's talk about the holidays. They are so happy. Don't you love it? The lights, the music, the presents, all of it.
Fun.
So great.
And they can be a little stressful though.
Yes, it can also be so stressful. So, we have someone here to help us out.
Yes, and guys, we've got your holiday looks covered because we feel it's important to feel as good as you look at the same time.
And that is why we have Skye Estroff here. She is a wellness coach, and she's going to talk to us a little bit about how to eat your way to Zen
Through the holiday season. Jinx.
What a great tagline.
I know, right?
Y'all. Yes. Thanks for having me. We're going to get so zen, eat all the food.
Yeah, thanks for being here.
Yeah.
So really quick, Skye, I want to just be very clear. You are a yoga instructor and you also have a degree in dietetics.
Yes.
Not Dianetics.
No. Dietetics or dietetics?
It's like the word diet and then athletics. So
I had it right.
Yes, you had it right.
Thank you, Ashlee.
Yes, so
I
a
know.
degree in dietetics, my
And not
undergrad
Dianetics.
degree.
Oh, yeah, no.
Not
Okay,
Dianetics.
yeah.
And yes, yoga as well, my 200-hour certification. So we're getting zen. We're gonna just eat and be merry this holiday season.
Let's get into it.
Okay.
Right? Yeah.
So step one, drink more water. If we're trying to be good in the holiday season and feel good at the same time,
Question.
Yes.
Is there water in mine?
You know,
Is there water specifically in
technically.
your glass? Is that what you're asking?
Well, I mean, just like, is this enough water content? Because
You know, if I'm giving my expert opinion, I'm gonna say you might want another beverage to pair with your wine. That's a water. But red wine does have antioxidants in it. and
Winning.
it's, you know, it's a good
So
choice,
mine's
too.
just like straight up sugar and alcohol and aging me faster. That's
It just,
cool.
you
I'm good
know,
with it.
makes you feel good and happy, and laughing is good, you know.
That
I didn't study that in school, but that laughing is good for you. So
Happy girls are pretty girls.
So Skye, really quick, I found that water just in general helps with like everything.
Yes.
Because I carry around a gallon of water literally everywhere I go.
Yeah,
I can
she's
see that.
amazing.
It's
Water
good to
intake.
drink. Well, I heard that it's good to, if you're during the holiday season, people are going to be having a great time, a lot of holiday functions, gatherings, family, all that stuff. If you're drinking wine or just drinking alcohol in general, it's good to kind of have a drink and a glass of water.
Yes.
Just a
A
substitute.
spacer.
Okay,
About
for
2
sure.
drinks and a glass of water.
And it's like you're so busy during this holiday season.
Yes.
You're working more, you have
Right.
more errands, all of that. You just kind of forget. So it seems like such a simple task to drink more water, but actually you have to think about it. More water is number
Not
one.
beefy.
Number 2 is don't feel guilty. You're gonna be surrounded by all this beautiful food. Allow yourself to try it.
I mean, thank you.
Yeah.
Welcome. But I mean, I feel like I was raised on guilt and shame, so I'm not really sure
Yeah,
how to operate
We're going to
outside
have
of
to have
that.
an episode for Ashlee to process this.
We're having a therapist next week.
Yes.
You can really take these tips, whatever applies best for you. It might not work as great for you this time, but it's just the thought of not eating a piece of cake because you're gonna feel so bad about yourself. But eat a piece of cake. It's okay.
This is the holiday season when it's the best. I'm going in. I'm going in.
Yes.
But you know what
All
though?
the cakes.
I'm being mindful about it though when I'm going in because like I'm not gonna deny myself all this deliciousness.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna have fun, and then I'm like, okay, well I need to work out from having all this delicious stuff.
Absolutely.
So don't
That brings me to my last tip,
Yeah.
is to be mindful about what you're eating. And just to know that you don't have to go like all the way for holiday season. You don't have to eat everything that's on a table. You can just eat in your normal eating patterns that you have the rest of the year. And just because you want to feel good after, we talk about going home and not feeling so bad, not having a headache, not having a stomach ache, just,
But like on
Yeah.
one day, can I eat all the casseroles?
Can you?
if you feel good about it,
Casseroles, and like I heard them.
Ashley, you're double
heart
zero.
casserole.
I do. I did a
You're gonna have to make room in that tiny body. For
Okay,
these casseroles
well,
that
so
you're planning.
let's recap.
Yes.
Our good advice from Skye that I will do my best to take.
Will you though? So it's basically drinking a ton of water.
Got it.
Because water is just fantastic for you. Don't guilt yourself into the things that you actually want, and be mindful about what you're putting in your body.
Yes,
Pretty much, right?
Try to stay on track, not to be too crazy.
Yeah, you
We got
nailed
it.
Ashley.
We're ready for the holidays.
So thank you so much for joining
thank
us
you,
today,
Skye.
Thank
We love having you. Great
Yeah.
ideas. Cheers. 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 And I'll do my best.